How is it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for clicking onto the video. First off, let me apologize because I know I told you guys I'll be giving you an update after 2 weeks, but I think it's like 40 days now, and after 40 days I'm giving you guys an update on the Skyline. So what happened was the body kit which we got for the Skyline, it was for the 2 doors. The guys there had to make it fit on the 4 doors. Basically the 4 doors are a bit longer. I think, I'm not quite sure how much longer they are, but they are longer than the 2 doors Skyline. So it was kind of hard, and even the diffuser was for the 2 door Skyline. We had to make it fit on the 4 door Skyline. So that is the reason they took around 1 month to fix it. But finally we have it fixed on the Skyline. I'll show you guys the body kit first, and then I'll be telling you which body kit did I go for. As I said in the previous video, for me, in my opinion, it is one of the best body kit that the R32 GTR Skyline has. So let me turn on the car, we'll leave, and I'll show you the Skyline. By the way, I still have to install the front lip for the crown. I have it, I just don't have time to install it. Let's turn on the crown. So by the way, guys, I haven't seen the car yet as well. It will be my first time seeing it with you guys. The last time I saw the Skyline was, I think they were trying to figure out how to fix this, what to do to make it fix on the 4 door Skyline. So I'm super excited about this as well because it's my first time seeing it today. I am super excited. I just want to see how it looks. I hope it looks as good as I thought it would. It's a 1.5 hour drive. We'll go there, we'll get the car, bring it back, paint the car, and the car will be with us. Basically, we're one step closer for getting the Skyline ready, and I'm beyond stoked right now. So guys, we are on our way to go pick up the Skyline. I just wanted to show you the view. I'm actually also going to create a time lapse for you guys to enjoy it. If you guys don't want to watch the time lapse, you can just skip and watch the part where I show you the Skyline. This view is just amazing. The camera is not doing justice to this view, but if you're a mountain guy, if you love mountains, you should come visit here sometimes for camping. It's amazing. Nice, I like
it. Nowadays nothing really is ice. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got wifey on bling and she icy. Freeze, photo, please, no photos. G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young but I move like a new deal to my lawyer.
Alright guys, we are finally here, we made it, and I'm about to see the Skyline for the first time with the body kit with you guys. I'm super stoked about it. I want to see. Oh my god, wow. Okay, I'm speechless. This is way better than I expected, guys. Okay, let me see the diffuser. Just give me 1 second and I'll show it to you guys. Just bear with me for 1 minute, guys. Oh my god, this is way better than I expected. I'm speechless right now. It is looking so much better. Oh my god. This is wow. Okay, I'll show it to you guys now. Alright, so I am about to show you guys the side skirts. We'll get to the diffuser later, but this is the side skirt. Oh my god, this is looking so good. Wow, I am actually speechless right now. So these are the side skirts we went for. These are Shorin side skirts. We got it from Japan. These were for the 2 door Skyline, by the way. and we made some modifications to it to make it fit on the 4-door Skyline. I will also show you the diffuser, guys. As expected, I went with the Shorin diffuser. The car looks funky right now because it's white, black and gray. It's not painted yet, but this is looking so much better, way better than I expected. I can't wait for the car to be painted. We also have carbon side lip, you want to call it, or whatever, which we will be adding on the Skyline. But the car looks so much better now. This is way better than I expected, guys. See this? It's, for me, these are one of the best side skirts that R32 GTR has. People like the Nismo ones, but for me, Shorin kit is one of the best. I was also thinking for the Shorin front fenders, but I'm not a fan of fiber on my car. But look at that booty now. It's even wider now. Looks so much better. I've also told the guys working here to make this carbon, and they did an amazing job to make this thing carbon. Man, the car is just looking amazing right now. These are the side extender, also carbon. We bought it like that, by the way. Once you are buying this kit, you have an option to go for side skirts extender if you want to go for carbon fiber or the normal one. We got the carbon fiber one. Of course, that had to be adjusted as well. So they did an amazing job. Like, I cannot see where did they modify it from. Like, there is no, this is just a mark, don't worry about that. I cannot see where did they modify it to make it fit on the 4-door Skyline. This, as you can see, this is a cut to make sure that the door opens, because if you have seen the Shorin side skirts, this comes with the side skirt. This cut is not there, so they made this cut to make sure that the back door opens. But I am so amazed. I'm super excited. This is what I thought the car would look like. This is looking so nice. Guys, comment down below and tell me, how do you like this? For me, this is what I thought my Skyline would look like. As I said, it's looking a bit funky right now. The car is not in one color. That is the reason. But this thing, man, this thing is so good. I can stare at this car for the whole day. Beyond perfect. Like, they did an amazing job, man. I'm so excited. The day I got the Skyline, I was like, I have to go with the Shorin side skirts. I'm not sure if they sell the side skirts for the 4-door, but we got it for the 2 doors. We made it fit on the 4-door Skyline. I will also leave a link down in the description. If you guys are from around here, you can come check it out. If you have anything, I'll also show you their work, guys. They're amazing. They do everything. If you want to make your hood carbon, you want to make your trunk carbon, they can do anything. If you want to make a custom side skirts, custom lip from scratch, they can do that, guys. Trust me, they are amazing, super friendly. They help you, they tell you what will look, they even tell you what will look good on your car. I will show you their work. If you are a bike rider and you want your helmet to be carbon fibered, they can help you with that. Carbon fiber helmet. Even they do the steering wheel, whatever you need. As you can see here, all the work that I've done. This is, I think, an AMG diffuser. This one as well. I'm not sure. Maybe it's an AMG diffuser. I'm not quite sure. The guy who runs this shop is actually not here. He's out. He had some work. He called me. He's like, I'm really sorry, I won't be able to make it. I was like, it's okay. If you need anything, you want to make a custom side skirts, custom diffuser, custom lip, custom bumper, even, you just have to come here, show them the picture, what you like, what you have to do, they can do that for you. Do go check their Instagram out. Super cool guys. We have a front diffuser for the Skyline, and it was not carbon fibered. I ordered it as carbon fiber, but they did not send me the carbon fiber diffuser. They refunded the money, all of that. That's done. But when I came here, I told them I want carbon fiber look on it. Check it out, guys. By the way, guys, this was in black color, and as you can see, I hope the camera is focusing it right now. As you can see here, they did a perfect job. I cannot explain enough. Like, this is so good. Once the car is painted, this car will look so nice. The diffuser, it's something new because people mostly they go for the top secret diffuser, Nismo diffusers. Not sure about other countries, but here in UAE, I have not seen anyone install a Shorin rear diffuser. Even the Shorin kit. People here like Nismo side skirts, Nismo diffuser. But for me, I wanted to do something different, and I'm pretty happy how it turned out. I'm super stoked, and I think even in the Middle East, I don't think anyone has done this thing. As I said, I wanted to do something different. Oh man, this I don't have words, man. I cannot tell you guys how happy and how excited I am, because when we got this kit, it was for 2 doors. It broke my heart that time. This car is a bit longer than the 2 doors. As I said, do your research, guys. Find someone who does it and does it right. Alright guys, one last look, because I think the light was pretty bad there. So as you can see here, as I said, this is carbon fibered. No clear coat on it. The guy told me when you're painting the car, you can apply clear coat. Man, this is so good. I'm so excited. Yes, this is what I dreamt my Skyline to look like. I kind of like the look without the wing. What do you guys think? You guys can let me know if it's looking good without the wing. But this is so good. The side skirts, I love this thing. One of the reason as well I went with the Shorin side skirts was it gives R34 look to the R32 Skyline. As you can see, the diffuser and this thing as well, it will the side skirts extender. Sorry, I'm excited. I don't even know what to say, to be honest. I'm just excited after having a look at the car. It's just mind blowing. I'm in love. Super stoked about it. I'm super happy, man. After finishing this video, I think I'll just stare at this car. I don't know what to say, to be honest. This is just amazing. It made the car perfect. It was missing the side skirts, the diffuser. So good. As I said, it's Shorin side skirts for 2 doors. We made it fit on the 4-door Skyline after some modifications. Amazing, guys. No complaints whatsoever. Whatever you need, check them out, guys. Link in the description. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Beyond stoked right now. Beyond stoked. I'm so happy. This is so good. I don't know how many times did I say that. This is just a dream come true, guys. A dream come true. I don't know if the camera is doing justice while I'm editing. I'll see if it is, but this is just amazing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for sticking till the end. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Turn on those notification bell. 1K, guys. 1K is my goal. If you guys can do that, I'll really appreciate that. Anyways, subscribe, turn on those notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.